In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in landscape orientation in Microsoft Word. Printing in landscape is useful when your document contains wide tables, charts, or images that do not fit well in the standard portrait layout, giving your content more horizontal space and a better visual presentation. To start, open the Microsoft Word document you want to print. Once the document is ready, go to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. The Layout tab contains several tools for controlling the page setup, including margins, size, and orientation. In the Layout tab, look for the Orientation option. By default, Word uses Portrait Orientation, which displays pages vertically. Click on Orientation, and a drop-down menu will appear with two options: Portrait and Landscape. Select Landscape, and you'll notice that your document layout immediately shifts to a horizontal format. This change will apply to the entire document unless you select a specific section to modify. Next, if you want to print only a particular section in landscape, place your cursor within that section before changing the orientation. Then, go back to Orientation, select Landscape, and choose Apply to Selected Text. Word will format only that section in landscape while leaving the rest of your document in portrait. Once your document is properly oriented, go to the File tab and select Print. In the print settings, make sure your printer is selected and check that the preview reflects the landscape orientation. You can adjust other settings here, such as page range, number of copies, and paper size. Finally, click the Print button to produce your document in landscape orientation. Your wide tables, charts, or images should now fit neatly on the page, making your content easier to read and visually appealing. Using landscape orientation in Word is a simple way to improve the layout of documents with wide content. It's especially helpful for reports, presentations, or any document where readability and space are important. And that's it. You now know how to set your document to landscape orientation and print it effectively in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.